Hello friends, welcome back to our channel TECHIES. My name is Anuj Rana and today in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you delete a WhatsApp chat. That means if you have sent a message to any of your friend on WhatsApp messages or over the WhatsApp messenger, and if you'd like to delete that message, how can you do that? That I'm going to demonstrate you over here on my phone. All right, so let's go ahead and roll on the video. So first thing we need to do is let me open my WhatsApp chat for you. Now over here, you need to select the person to whom you have sent the message. So just for the sake of demonstration, let me open this message box for you. All right. Now over here, this is the message that you are seeing in the green box. These are the messages that I have sent to this person. This person has received these messages. Whereas in the white box, these are the messages that I have received from that person. Now, suppose if I have to delete this message, and before that, there's one more thing I would like to inform you that there are two ways of deleting the messages. Like if I've sent a message and I would like to delete that message from my end as well as from the receiver's end. That is the first step. And there is another step in which I can delete the messages only from my side, whereas from the receiver's end, the message will not be deleted. In that case, there are only 24 hours. Means once you have sent the message, that can be deleted from both the sides, the receiver side and the sender side, only in 24 hours. So let's see how this can be deleted. Now, I have to tap on this message box and I need to hold it for 1 or 2 seconds. Once I'll hold it, this message will be selected. Now, selection of this message, on the top bar, you see there are different icons. Over here, you see the third icon, third from the right. There's a dustbin kind of a icon. You need to tap on that. This icon is for to delete the messages. After that, it will ask you, would you like to delete the message for everyone, only for you, or just cancel it? So like if I have to delete it for everyone, let me tap on this and see the message has been deleted. Now this has been deleted from your end as well as from the receiver's end also. But please make sure, I'm repeating that statement, that can be done only in 24 hours. After 24 hours, from the receiver's side, sorry, cannot be deleted. You have to call the receiver and ask him to delete the messages. All right. So it was so simple. So that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.